Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let vector A equals this, vector B equals this, vector C equals this. Be coplanar. So, you know that if three vectors are coplanar, this means its scalar triple product will be 0. So, first we will solve that one STP. So STP is what? The coefficient of first vector 1, 2, 4. Then coefficient of second vector 1 lambda 4. Then coefficient of third vector 2, 4 lambda square minus 1. So we have to solve this idea. You know that scalar triple product will come out to be 0. Now 1 time lambda cube minus lambda minus 16 minus 2 times lambda square minus 1 minus 8, then plus 4 times 4 minus 2 lambda. Let's open everything. So we got lambda cube minus lambda minus 16 minus 2 lambda square plus 18 plus 16 minus 8 lambda. Now we will simplify things. So this 16 gone. We are left with lambda cube minus 2 lambda square, then minus 9 lambda plus 18. Let's do the factorization. So from first two component we can take lambda square common. We will be left with lambda minus 2. From second two component we will take 9 common, lambda minus 2. Now we will take lambda minus 2 common. So you know that we will be having lambda square minus 1 in the next bracket, lambda square minus 3 in the bracket, which we can write it as lambda plus 3, lambda minus 3. So value of lambda will come out to be 2 minus 3 and 3. Correct? Now, what is the required component? The non-zero vector A cross C is, means this A and C has to be like, it has to go through the cross product and the answer should be non-zero. So do you think, like, you know, it is A cross C, so it means A mod C sine theta. So do you think mod A is 0? Obviously not. Do you think mod C is 0? No. So the all responsibility is on what? Sine theta. So the only chance in which A cross C can be 0 if sine theta will become 0. And sine theta will become 0 if theta is 0. Means vector A and vector C cannot be parallel. Now, if you know that two vectors are parallel, it means their ratio would be what? Same. So look at I component. So can I say, look at the I component of vector A and vector C both. So it is 1 by 2. J component 1 by 2. So it cannot be 1 by 2, means you cannot have lambda square minus 1 as 8. So lambda square cannot be equal to 9. Lambda square or lambda cannot be equal to plus minus 3, means we cannot take minus 3, we cannot take plus 3. Now the value of lambda will become what? 2. I hope this part is clear. Means value of lambda is 2. So just find out A cross C. So we will be writing I, J, K. Now write down the coefficient of first vector 1, 2, 4. Coefficient of second vector 2, 4. If you will put 2, lambda square will become 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is our A cross C. Now I will be equal to what? 6 minus 16. 6 minus 16 is minus 10. Then we'll go with J. J is what? 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Then we will go with k. K is what? 4 minus 4, that is 0. This means answer is what? Minus of 10i plus 5j. Hence the required answer is 10i plus minus 10i plus 5j. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.